In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily buy crypto on the platform Coinbase. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on Coinbase, simply go down to the first link in the video description, then you will get to exactly this page right here. And as you can see, you can get up to $50 in bonuses depending on how much you've traded in the first 14 days. You can reach those different bonuses in here. So if you trade at least for $100, you will get $5, and for at least $5,000, $20, and for at least $10,000, you get a $50 bonus. To create your account and be eligible for the bonuses, simply click right here on sign up. Then you will get to this page right here where you can enter your email address, click on continue and set a password, or simply use your Google or Apple account. Once we have created our account and went through the verification process, we can now fully use the platform. And I'm going to show you how you can easily deposit money. So first you can deposit fiat by simply going up here to deposit and then click on deposit cash. Then right here, choose your fiat currency. So US dollar, in my case, I'm going to choose euro right here. And then you will get all the important information that you need for the bank transfer, such as the recipient name and the bank account number, or it's also called IBAN in Europe. You can simply copy them right here and then initiate the bank transfer. If your bank supports a SEPA instant transfer, it also arrives within just a few minutes. If you go back here to your portfolio, you can also check if any of your funds have arrived. In my case, you can see I have my euro balance in here. Next, I'm going to show you how you can easily buy crypto. So you simply go up here back to spot. Make sure to have down here advanced selected, so you have also lower fees. Then here on the top left, you can choose your trading pair. So depending on which coin you want to buy, you can simply type that in right here. I'm just going to type in BTC. And then you will see there's different BTC trading pairs. Make sure that the second symbol is the one that matches your deposited fiat currency. So in my case, it's going to be euro. If you deposit it with a different fiat currency, you should see that trading pair right here for your currency in your region. For example, US dollar, British pound, Swiss franc, whichever fiat currency you have. In my case, I'm going to go for BTC euro in here. And once I have that selected in here, I can also see the price chart. Here on the right side, I can execute my buy or sell. In this case, I want to buy something. I can see my euro balance in here again. Then I'm going to choose market in here to execute the buy immediately. And down here, type in the amount I want to buy. I can also click on max to just buy with as much as I have available in here. And then all I need to do is just click down here on buy and the purchase is completed. Don't forget to pick up your $50 bonus by creating an account with the first link from the video description. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.